And I think Cutting Chai have a really nice offense going with their swings and uplines, right? Heal there, leg block. Oh, we have Gunnar coming in, and it's Shubham with the grab in the end zone, and we have Grumpies on the scoreboard, scoring first. Well, they're looking to Sam Mish on the.
Sunil and Parshu. Oh, that's the score for Grumpies.
Rashu and Bhavya there on the sideline with a great upline, but Sam Mish has come in and got the D, grabbed it in the end zone, and a quick restart, just moving it up. Okay.
Dump to Sandy, and Sandy's looking for a hook. No. Sandy throws it up, and it's going to be a close one. Vikas with the D.
Alright, and Bhavya going for the long run, a run to the end zone, and she has got it. A really nice hug there. Negi on straight on Bhavya for a D, marking Bhavya really tight. Looking upline, and what a break too. Oh, really great break to Chirag right there. Amazing throw.
So that's Chirag with the score. Krushi looking for. Oh, Sunil just on the line. And safe hands of Richa.
Now for a handler looking for the reset. Is there somebody gonna? Yes, Sau was there for him. And Vikram doing some cuts in the end zone as a handler, and he has got it. He went up line as a handler, looking for cuts. Cuts are happening. We have Nirva coming out. We have a great and it's a score. Great in cut over there. That's right. It was number 8, and it was Akhilesh actually who was poached. They went for the throw to the poached guy, but just did not. The receiver wasn't managed to grab onto it. But great look to the poached. And we have a score from Cutting Chai.
And to Sunil on the far side. Sunil looking for the bullet forehand, doesn't get it, fakes, gives it back to Nirva, again back to Sunil. And Sunil with the disc, now he's carefully looking at his options. Nothing on the backhand, but what a D there by Vikas. That was a great D. He just looked for the poach out there, and then he got that right in the lane. He knew exactly where the disc was going to go to. And now Sahu just picking up the disc and walking to the start of the end zone.
Sahu just called a strip, and it's reset. Great score in the end zone there.
Sunil looking at Shubham on the far side, is asking to come closer. That's a great D there by Sahil. Sandy playing like a poach on the lane right now, and Amritansh with the D out there on that floaty throw.
That's right. So if you've established your pivot foot and then you take a step after that before you throw it, and you move that pivot foot, the foot that's grounded, and you have a score from Nirva right there. Great grab, great look. I believe the assist was from Sunil.
No, it was from Sam Mish to Nirva.
That's right, Sam Mish to taking a crack at Sahil. Alright, so you have Vikram putting it up line. No, and a great save. Bad throw by Vikram there, but a great save by Parshu, and moving it up. And we have Bhavya
Taking the disc back here. Another easy throw to the center to Sandy.
Krushi just running up line, and we have that throw finally and a great D by Matthews, intercepting that pass to Richa, who's been hanging out in the end zone for a while there.
Throw to the far side to Vikram. Floaty, and that's a great throw by Vikram to Vikas. Vikas with the downfield look to Matthew. Matthew with a great throw again to Sahu. Sahu clearing up and getting some more width by giving it to Parshu. Parshu throws to Bhavya, and that's a score. 6-all, yeah. Score is 6-all. Great assist by Parshu, and that was a score by Bhavya.
Definitely. And we have a swing here to Sam, who gets it. Sam Mish putting his hands on his head, as you just saw on the field. That's a symbol for an injury substitution, where he will come off and somebody will replace him.
Looking at his options, giving it to Sandeep and going a great up the line, and Sahil with another D out there. I think it's going to be a very crucial point out here. Parshu with a big hug down, looking for Binsi. Amritanj going for the disc, and Amritanj getting a good D there. It's a great read by Amritanj on the side. Saha with the disc, giving it back to Parshu. Parshu with the great breakdown. Ashu with the disc right now. Ashu looks to his foresight and Krushi, and that's a great grab by Chirag. I think he's got a bit of Krushi's face out there while getting that disc.
Going to see a flurry of passes right now. That's going to be my prediction. It's going to be Sahu moving up, Ashwini, and slowing down. But Sandy with the D. Set up there. Again, Sandy to Krushi, Krushi, Sandy, Sandy, Krushi, a 1-2. Looking upline to Shubham. Shubham there on the break side, looking for that power play position. Hucked upline, and we have a score. We have a score to Richa there in the end zone. Great grab, great cut by Richa.
He or a Callahan out there on that first throw. Vikas with another amazing save.
And he urging his team upline for cuts. And he did go for it. He went, and Amiranj has grabbed it. And we have Negi who connected, and that's a score by Negi. And Grumpies have gone one up. There is a ball on the field, guys. I think a calm over for these guys. Great score over there, and they have gone up with 2 minutes left. Grumpies with the advantage. Sunil scoring once again with, I believe that he has 4 to 5 assists this game, and that's his second score as well, being a critical player on the team for Grumpies.
Yep, I think it was a very closely contested game, and great spirit all around also from both teams, and it was good to see that. And thank you everyone. This has been Ani signing off. MUL Day 3.